Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to voice type in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Google Sheets itself doesn't have a built-in voice typing feature like Google Docs has, but you can still dictate text into your spreadsheets using your device's text-to-speech tool or by using Google Docs as a workaround. Now, here's a simple step-by-step guide you can follow. So first, open up Google Sheets, then select the cell where you want your dictated text to appear. So I want to choose this cell here. And now the cell should be highlighted before you begin typing. Now from here, we want to use your device's voice typing. So since Google Sheets doesn't include its own voice typing feature, use your operating system's built-in dictation. So on Windows 11, I'm going to click on my Windows key and H, and a little voice box is going to appear like so. Now in order to use this, we want to click and hold down the microphone and then start testing. So I'm just going to say a few words, testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And there we go. So once you do it, just try this again. Testing 1, 2, 3. Now make sure where you put in this text, it's not going to violate any rules you got in Google Sheets. So just try it over in this box. Testing 1, 2, 3. There we go. That seemed to work there. So I'm just going to stop this for now. And then basically go ahead and review your text. Now, if you are on a Mac OS, you can press the keyboard shortcut for dictation, which is usually FN twice, depending on your settings.